By the 5th year of waiting, Kwame's dreams had begun to rot like forgotten fruit. The certificates that once hung proudly on his bedroom wall were now tucked away in a dusty envelope. Hidden under his bed, each time he looked at them, he felt both pride and pain. Pride for what he had achieved, and pain for what it had become. A paper without purpose. The year was 2024, and the government had just released another batch of recruitment for health workers. The news spread quickly through social media and radio. Everyone was excited, especially in the WhatsApp group of Unemployed Allied Health professionals. Messages were flooding in. Greater than. Guys, have you seen the new clearance list? They've employed new nurses again. Allied Health, nothing yet. Oh, we're still pending. Kwame stared at the screen in silence. His chest tightened. He felt as if the whole world was moving while he remained stuck in the same place. He logged off and sat quietly on his wooden chair, thinking. Around him, his home was changing, not for the better. His younger sister had dropped out of SHS because of unpaid fees. His father's cough had worsened. The roof leaked whenever it rained, and there was no money to fix it. That evening, when his mother returned from the market, she looked defeated. Her tomatoes had spoiled in the sun, and she had made a loss. She didn't speak much, just sighed heavily and said, Kwame, maybe you should go and learn some handiwork. People are surviving with that now. Kwame forced a smile, but her words tore through him like a knife. After all those years of education, sleepless nights, and sacrifices, was this how it would end? The next morning, he decided to attend a protest being organized in Accra by the Coalition of Unemployed Allied Health Professionals. They were gathering at the Independence Square to demand postings. Kwame joined hundreds of young men and women like himself, all wearing white shirts, holding placards that read, "We are trained to save lives, not to waste ours. 5 years without posting, are we invisible? Our certificates are crying for jobs." As they marched through the streets, cars honked and people watched from afar. Some clapped in support, but others mocked them. A trotro driver shouted, "Go and learn carpentry. That one no need clearance." The passengers laughed. Kwame felt a lump rise in his throat. He looked around at his fellow graduates, some holding degrees, some with masters, all sweating under the sun, chanting for the government to hear their cry. At the ministry's gate, the police stopped them. The officers looked away, pretending not to hear.